Smart lock installation tutorial. Front panel, rear panel, power cord, battery, square pole, spring. So annoyed. Screw, key, card. Locking screw before installation. Tighten with pliers. Plug in the square rod. Pay attention to the direction of the square rod hole and the lock body hole. Align the hole and insert the opening pin. Fold the opener pin with pliers. Take the back panel cover apart. Install lock body. Screw on. Install the front lock. Be careful to pass the power cord through the door first. Align it with the square rod position and put it in. Rear panel in spring. Connect the front and rear lock power cords. First plug the power cord into the door hole. Align the square rod and put it in. Screw on. Install the battery. Install rear panel cover. Installation complete.